Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to buy domain from GoDaddy with promo code. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply search for GoDaddy by domain. Then I want to select the first option. And after that, here you should type the domain that you want. So I'm gonna name it Zane Zone, for example. Then I'm gonna click on search. Then I'll take this one here, for example. I'm gonna put it in the cart. And after putting it in the cart, I will now go and click on view cart. In here I have the cart. As you can see, I'm going to click on continue to cart. Then here it will redirect you to this page. Once you are in this page, it will tell you here all the options that you can actually use. I'm going to click on continue to cart just in order to apply my own promo code. And after that, here, as you can see on the right side, you can simply click on have a promo code, then apply the promo code right here, then click on ready for checkout, and the code will be applied instantly. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.